For starters, I have here a sample subject here which we want to change its background into something else. But before we do that, we must remove first this lock for us to edit it. First select the Move tool right here, then left click this lock icon. Then while this layer is still selected, go here and right click this icon to select the Quick Selection tool. Then hold the left click mouse button and drag within the person or subject you want to change the background. Make sure that it is selected thoroughly. Now if you are satisfied with the selection, click this icon to mask it, and as you can see the background is gone. We can now put any background color or image you want behind it. Let us choose the white color. As you can see, we are able to put another color background, but now we can change it whatever color we want. And there you have it. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon for more videos.